Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the Clash of Clans game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. For this, you will need to install the Google Play Games beta application. If you don't already have it, open up your web browser and search for Google Play Games beta. From the search results, open up the play.google.com/googleplaygames link and you will see the download beta option. You can click on this to download the installer. And once you open up the installer, just click through the next buttons after choosing your install directory. After it is done, you can open it up and then log into your Google account. Now you will gain access to the Google Play Store and you can just use the search box to search for the Clash of Clans game. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and you can then click on the install button to begin the download and installation of this game on your PC. Click on the add button to add a desktop shortcut and just wait for the process to complete. Once the download is completed, you can click on the play button to open up the game and start enjoying on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to play the Clash of Clans game on your PC without using any emulators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and I will see you again in the next one.